How to make your profile or your account private on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your account private on Etoro in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Etoro, and as you can see this is the home page. Now if you want to make your account private, you have to choose those three lines here in the top corner. Click on them and then go to settings. Right here, click on settings and then go to privacy, and here you go. You will find the option of public account. You can make it private, or you can make it public as you want. And that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end, because this helped me a lot.